Stop Excel from converting copy-pasted number/text values to date. I'm copy-pasting some data from HTML table into Excel. But Excel automatically converts some text or number values to date. When I change the format, the number is perversed. The number is something like 4,112,523. Excel probably interprets the cell as date and then converts to number or something like that. There is a trick for importing CSV files, but is there any solution when you are pasting your data directly from a web browser?
Try this, it worked out for me. Data, import external data, new web query and follow the wizard. It's so simple. Regards.
This is definitely a kludge and it's the only thing I've figured out to do. I came here looking for a more elegant solution. I do have a slight improvement for this. Paste the data into the spreadsheet as is. Select all and format as text. Paste again over what you did the first time, but this time as values. This keeps you from having to count columns and rows, etc. If you have data you actually want to be numbers, dates, etc., it's much easier to reformat them correctly from this end than it is to do from the other. Since the numbers won't automatically convert, I use text to columns on the column, selecting delimited but unchecking all the delimiters. This has the same effect as going into each cell and hitting enter to get Excel to recognize it again. Ugly, but it works.
The most simple way.
Before pasting, select column that will hold the non-date value. Right-click. Select Format Cells. Then select Text as the format and click OK. Now, go ahead and paste, but paste using the Match the Destination formatting option.
If you want to skip panel, press